Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a Subaru Forester. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. This prevents skin and eye irritation from refrigerant. Next, ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off before you begin. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent damage to the system. Finally, locate the low-pressure service port, which is essential for the recharge process. Now, let's connect the recharge kit. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting from your refrigerant can to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Double-check that it's snug to avoid any refrigerant escaping. Once connected, start your Subaru Forester's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. With the engine running and AC on full, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and gently squeeze the trigger for about 5 to 10 seconds. Release the trigger for a brief pause, then repeat this pulsing action. Continuously check the pressure gauge on your kit. It's vital not to overfill, as this can damage your AC system. Aim for the recommended pressure range, usually indicated on the gauge. After adding refrigerant, feel the air from your vents. It should be noticeably colder, indicating a successful recharge. Once satisfied with the cooling, quickly and carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. A small hiss is normal. Finally, remember to dispose of the empty refrigerant can responsibly. Following these steps will help keep your Subaru Forester's AC blowing cold for many seasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.